Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK and our topic is Hill Station of India or Indian Hill Station. So, now we will going to learn in detail. Here we can see the various type of hill station in our India. Oti, Shillong, Kulu and Manali, Simla, Mussoorie, so many Gulmarg, Chamba, Munnar, so various types of hill station in India. So we are going to learn in detail. Main hill stations. There are many hill stations tour in India to choose from, but the problem remains which one to select. In a country with over 20 mountains range, choosing a hill station can be a very challenging task. Here in India, we can see a various type of hill station. So, we can't choose one. So, the travel and tourism in the northern part of the nation is dominated by the Himalayas, offering everyone a chance to get spellbound by the grandeur of the peaks and pictures landscape which one cannot ignore. So, which hill station is best we can't say. So here we can learn in detail. So children, now we will learn a next slide. Manali. Here we can see the picture of Manali. So beautiful, and everywhere we can see ice and mountains. A northern popular hill station is the state of Himalaya is Manali. Manali is the northern popular hill station in the Himachal Pradesh. This refreshing destination is well known for its beauty because it is a very beautiful and very attractive place and plentiful adventure activities. Here we can see everywhere ice and mountain. So from this seeking to predating, one can experience every kind of adventure out here. Interestingly, Manali is also the starting point of the most attractive and absorbing highways in India, the Leh Manali Highway. The highway is Leh Manali Highway. The Manali is beautiful place for hill station. So children's, it is in Himachal Pradesh, a state of Himachal Pradesh. So children, everyone can understand about Manali. Now we will going to learn next slide. Climate. The temperature of Manali is predominantly cold during the winter and moderately cold in summer. Here we can see the climate or temperature of Manali. The temperature ranges from 4°C to 26°C over the year. Over the year, the temperature of Manali is 4°C to 26°C. The average temperature during the summer is 10°C to 26°C, or the average temperature during the winter is -50°C to 20°C. So, Manali is a very cold place, and this is a very beautiful hill station in India. It is in it is in a very beautiful place. So now we will learn in next slide. Nainital. Nainital is a beautiful place or beautiful hill station in India. This is the another very popular hill station located in Uttarakhand. It is in Uttarakhand, state of Uttarakhand. So Nainital is also referred to Lake District of India as it is surrounded by several lakes, including the famous Naini Lake. Naini Lake is a famous in Nainital, the popular hill station. This hill station is said to be a perfect gateway from families as it has breathtaking beauty. Even adventure lovers through his place as it is home to the famous Nainital Mountaineering Club. Here we can see a beautiful place and this is a Nainital. Nainital is located in Uttarakhand and so beautiful place and also famous place, and in Naini Lake is a very famous. Okay, now children, everyone understand about this beautiful place. So we will going to learn next slide. What is the next hill station in India? Nainital. The hill station of Nainital is the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand was a popular summer retreat for the British during the time they ruled India. Enjoy of the many forest walks, explore and the surrounding area of horseback or relax on the boat in the lake. Here we can find the everywhere mountain and the lake. Naini Lake is famous in Nainital. Okay, now children, we will going to learn next slide. Gulmarg. This is a beautiful place. Gulmarg is a beautiful place in Jammu and Kashmir, located in Kashmir. Gulmarg or Meadow of Flowers is the nothing less than a fantasy place. It is a very beautiful place or very beautiful Indian hill station. This is a meadow of flowers. It is a right said that this is a place actually is heaven on earth. Very beautiful place. Gulmarg is a very beautiful place and it is also called heaven on earth. The beautiful valleys are studded with blueberries, daisies and many other types flowers that are sure to lighten up the mood for every visitors. We can see everywhere beautiful flowers and various flowers in Gulmarg, and it's also called a meadow of flower. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir, and here we can see it is a very beautiful place, very beautiful Indian hill station. So here Gulmarg is also very popular skiing destination in India. Popular and very beautiful meadow of flowers and also called a heaven on earth. So children, everyone understand this beautiful place or beautiful hill station in India. So we are going to learn next slide. Chamba. Not very renowned, Chamba still manages to be one of the most popular hill stations in India. Chamba is also most popular hill station in India, located in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is located in Chamba. Himachal Pradesh, this hill station is picture perfect destination. Here we can see a very beautiful, perfect, picture perfect destination. This local has several temples, and that is reason is the most frequent by travelers. Chamba is also offers some of the most captivating view of mountain ranges and surrounded the valleys. Here we can see everywhere mountain and valley, and Chamba is also popular and located in Himachal Pradesh. Also, Simla is also located in Himachal Pradesh, but Chamba is very beautiful place in India, or very beautiful hill station and popular hill station. So, children, everyone understand this beautiful hill station. So now we will going to learn a next slide. Khandala. This is a very beautiful place and very green place. Khandala is one of the most popular hill station of the western part of India. It is in western side of India. This beautiful hill station is located in state of Maharashtra. It is in Maharashtra, state of Maharashtra, as it is very connected with cities like Pune and Mumbai. It has become a popular weekend gateway for them. There are several caves and waterfalls that added to the beauty of the hill station. Here we can see a beautiful place, and Khandala is also located in Maharashtra, and it is also a popular place, and in this we can see as caves and waterfalls is the beauty of this hill station. So children, everyone understand about this beautiful place. So now we will going to learn a next hill station, next popular hill station, Ooty. Ooty is the popular hill station in Tamil Nadu, the state of South India. Ooty is located in Tamil Nadu. It is flooded with many honeymooners from the various part of the world. It offers various adventure activities like angling, trekking, and hand grilling, which provided a unique experience. The most popular place to visit in the Ooty are the Dedabet Peaks, Avalanche Lakes, Pyaraka Rivers, Ooty Lakes, Madhumalai National Park, Emerald Lake Deer Park, and the Mariamman Temple. There is so various types of things in the Ooty. Ooty's most popular attractions include the 22 hectares government botanical gardens. A flower show is held there every May as part of the summer festival. Boating on Ooty Lake and climbing Dedabet Peaks for an excellent view of the Nilgiris Hills. Here we can see various types of greenery, and it is a popular place we can find in India. Okay, now we will going to learn our next slide. Darjeeling. Darjeeling is a very popular hill station located in West Bengal. It is also called as the Dreamland of Earth. Darjeeling is a dreamland of Earth. It is also in West Bengal, a state of West Bengal. Very beautiful place in India. This hill station has a absent natural beauty that keeps a tourist captivated, and Darjeeling also has some of the most exotic waterfalls and tea gardens. In Darjeeling, we can find tea gardens or tea farms. When we talk of tea, We all know that Darjeeling tea is one of the most popular ones in the world. Darjeeling is famous for tea farming or tea gardening. Or here we can see a photograph of Darjeeling, very beautiful place and also a popular hill stations of India. Now we are going to learn next slide. What is this? This picture is Munnar, located in southern India. Munnar has quickly come up as a popular hill station in India. This is a beautiful place and is located in state of Kerala. It is well known for its well preserved natural beauty. It is famous for its natural beauty of the Virginia forest. The environment and climate of this place make it favorable for every tourist. Munnar is also renowned for the coffee and tea gardens. Here we can see a greenery and this greenery is tea gardens. So this is a very beautiful hill station in India now and in the state of Kerala. So Munnar is in state of Kerala. Now we will going to learn next slide. Srinagar. Srinagar is the summer capital of the Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is in Jammu and Kashmir. Delights visitor which is lovely lakes. Srinagar is often referred to the land of lakes and gardens. The gardens have a basically Mughal influence and many of them were cultivated by Mughal emperors. You will find Asia's largest tulip garden in Srinagar with the tulip festival held every April. We can find here a beautiful flower, a land of lakes and gardens. In Srinagar we can find various lakes and gardens. Now Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is the perfect tourist destination in the state of Maharashtra. It is the most visited hill station of the state. In Maharashtra, there is a famous hill station for visitor. There are umpteen numbers of lakes offering an opportunity to visitors to try their hand and boating and fishing. We see here Mahabaleshwar is in Maharashtra and this is a very beautiful place. So children, everyone know about our Indian hill station. So now we will going to learn next slide. Then next, Mussoorie. Mussoorie is the very famous and beautiful place and beautiful hill station in Uttarakhand, located in Uttarakhand. Mussoorie is the one of the most popular hill station in the state, also known as the Queen of Hills. Here we can find so many hills. This beautiful hill station has a special place in every traveler's heart. This hill station is also home some of the topmost boarding school of India. In fact, this picturesque hill station has also been discussed in some of the creation of the famous writer Ruskin Bond. Here we can see a famous writer Ruskin Bond is some creation or some lines about this beautiful place. So Mussoorie is the very beautiful place in our Indian hill station. So children, everyone can understand about this beautiful hill station in India. So now we will going to learn our next video.
With the Himalayas, Vindhyas and Aravalis, India proudly boasts a number of hill stations in most parts of the country. Here in this video, we present to you the 10 most beautiful hill stations of India. The first one is Nainital, Uttarakhand. Nainital is a small town in the Kumaon range in Uttarakhand. It is also known as the Lake District of India, and it is one of the most popular honeymoon destinations in India. Parasailing, horse riding, kayaking, canoeing and rock climbing are attractive for adventure lovers. The Naini Lake, Tiffin Top, Snow View and Naini Peak are the most popular tourist spots in this town. And sure, Nainital is a place that demands you to be experienced again and again. The second one is Manali, Himachal Pradesh. With its scenic snow-clad peaks and lush forests, this little town in the Kulu Valley offers a variety of activities. Camping, heli-skiing, rock climbing, trekking and rafting are the top adventure sports here. Other tourist destinations of Manali include Solang Valley, Rotang Pass and many Tibetan monasteries around the area. The third one is Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Mussoorie offers a view of Doon Valley to the south and the Himalayas to the north. The hill station is located around 34 kilometers from Dehradun. Mussoorie has the highest point called Lal Tibba. From there, we can see the beautiful town. Fourth one is Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. In summers, Gulmarg becomes a paradise with impressive treks to explore. The city has the highest gondola in the world that runs up to almost 4,000 meters above ground level. Skiing and snowboarding are the main tourist activities in the area. Fifth one is Darjeeling, West Bengal. Darjeeling has magnificent views of Mount Kanchenjunga, waterfalls and several hills. Also, it is famous for large tea estates. The historic toy train makes for a memorable ride, and the Senchal Lake Ghu Monastery and the Observatory Hill are among the most popular tourist attractions of Darjeeling. Sixth one is Shillong, Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital city of Meghalaya, widely known as the Scotland of the East. Monsoon is the best time to visit Shillong. You can spend your time at the Shillong Peak and gaze at the lush green hills, have a picnic near Elephant Falls, or enjoy a boat ride over the Umiam Lake. For the adventurer in you, try the water sports like kayaking and water skiing at any of the stunning lakes in the city. Seventh one is Binsar, Uttarakhand. Binsar is blessed with overwhelming views of snow-clad peaks like Nanda Devi, Kedarnath, Panchachuli, Chaukamba and Nandakot. Among other attractions in Uttarakhand, the Zero Point is a must-visit because of its panoramic views of the Himalayan peaks. On top of that, do visit the Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary, which is home to several beautiful species of birds, plants and rare animals. Eighth one is Gangtok, Sikkim. Gangtok, the vibrant capital of Sikkim, offers extravagant joys of the city in addition to the quaint aura of the hill station. The city has a ropeway which offers a bird's eye view of the city. Walking is the best way for visitors to explore Gangtok and its charming people. Days in Gangtok can be well spent at the Tashi Viewpoint, Banjhakri Hill, Rumtek Monastery and the Songmo Lake. Ninth one is Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu. Kodaikanal literally translates to the gift of the forest. Nestled in the Palani Hills, this is a rather secluded town. The must-visit places in Kodaikanal include the Kodai Lake, Guna Caves and Green Valley View. You can cycle around the lake, go boating or horseback riding, or even take an aromatherapy session at the nearest spa. 10th one is Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. Tawang has the country's largest Tibetan monastery, which is a home to almost 500 lamas. The refreshing mountain air and wonderful treks make Tawang a trekker's paradise. You can visit the 400-year-old Tawang Gompa and turn the prayer wheels outside it. Well, these beautiful hill stations provide travelers scenic views and a chance to escape the summer heat of the plains. Plan a trip to one of these hill stations for a truly memorable vacation.
Shimla, Queen of the Hills. Located at an altitude of approximately 7,000 feet, Shimla is one of the most beautiful hill stations of India. The entire city is surrounded by pine, deodar, oak and rhododendron forests. Nainital, land of lakes and hills. Commonly known as the Lake District of India, Nainital is one of the most popular honeymoon destinations in India. This famous Uttarakhand hill station is popular for enchanting lakes and lush green hills. Ooty, Jewel of Nilgiri. It was once the summer capital of Madras by the British. The place is famous for Nilgiri Mountain Railway, the World Heritage toy train route that moves through the beautiful Nilgiri mountain. Shillong, a pristine beauty. The beautiful hill station is the capital of Meghalaya and is famous for green forests and beautiful waterfalls. Mount Abu, oasis in the desert. The beautiful hill station is located in the desert state of India, Rajasthan. Kalimpong, solitude to enjoy. Located at the foothill of Himalayan mountain range, Kalimpong is a calm and quiet hill station in West Bengal, famous for tea gardens and monasteries. Gangtok, the paradise of Northeast. This beautiful hill station is famous for its charming valleys and monasteries. Daringbari, Kashmir of Orissa. The beautiful place is in Kanmal district of Orissa. It is famous for its production of organic turmeric. Almora, a gem of Kumaon. Located on a horseshoe-shaped hill at an altitude of 1682 meters, this is the place where you can find happiness and can communicate with the nature. Munnar, land of teas. Located at the confluence of three mountain valleys, Mudruppaza, Nallathani, Kundala, Munnar is one of the enchanting hill stations in Kerala.